Dear children, welcome back to our English class. Today let us do the exercises of chapter 1. First one, fill in the blanks. Let us come to the fill in the blanks. Every morning they went out to the nearby forest to cut dry wood and leaves. Answer is collect. But they dash as to who their kind helper was. Answer is wondered. Wondered. Then she turned into a maid and went to the well to fetch water. Went, went. But the queen refused to dash to any of them. Heed, heed. She left her son and flew away. Flew away. Then fill in the blanks is completed. Now come to exercise 3. Match the words in column A with their meanings in column B. Put aside. Answer is keep at one side. Which? An evil woman having magical powers. Glued. Fixed. These take by force. Feast, a grand meal. So these two exercises of one page. Now come to the next exercises. Nouns. We have learned about concrete noun, abstract nouns. So given below is a list of nouns. Put each of them in the relevant column. Some words are given like man, manhood, dacoit, dacoity, friend, friendship, slave. So from this you have to find out and write which are the concrete nouns in the concrete noun column and which are the abstract nouns in the abstract nouns column. So you just try to do by yourself that, because already you know what is a concrete noun and abstract noun. Then exercise 5. Sort out proper nouns and common nouns from the following. So one paragraph is given like Delhi is one of the biggest cities of India. So like that you just read that paragraph and you write down which are the proper nouns in one first column and which are the common nouns in the second column. That also you just try to do by yourself. Come to the next exercises of collective nouns. Match the following to complete the phrases. First one, a cluster of stars. Second one, pack of cards. A pile of books. A herd of cattle. An army of soldiers. Then next exercise is synonym. Synonym means which has got the same meaning but another word. Both are having the same meaning but spellings are different. Like one example is given nearby. Nearby, and in the boxes you can just find out the synonym, that is close by. Both are having the same meaning. Like second one, tale. Tale means story, return, come back, glue, fix, little, small, far, distant. So these are the same meaning but different word. Then come to exercise 8. Imagine you are a swan. Write a letter to your friend swan who has turned into a queen and to whom you saw sitting in a garden. So you imagine that you are a swan and you saw your friend who has turned into a queen sitting in the garden and you are writing a letter to that queen. That is given there. You just read it. Then the next exercise is you go to the letter and you are replying to your friend as a queen. How you will reply? So that also you just try to write by yourself, because why I give you to write by yourself, because you have got enough and more time. You just try to do by yourself, then you will get the sentences. If you make mistake also no problem, but just try to do it by yourself, then you will get the sentences. So first chapter exercises we have completed. Now come to the second chapter exercises, that is of my mother. Come to the second chapter exercises of my mother poem. So the first exercise is fill in the blanks. My mother taught child's lips to pray? Answer is taught. T-A-U-G-H-T. Second one, the child can never cease to be affectionate. Answer is affectionate. A-F-F-E-C-T-I-O-N-A-T-E. Third one, the child will reward. Answer is reward. Then fourth one, child's healthy arm. Fifth one, the child will not dare to despise his mother. Then come to exercise 2. Write abstract nouns in the following boxes. Some common nouns are given, so you have to write the abstract noun of that. So, child, childhood. Answer is childhood. Slave, slavery. Abstract noun is slavery. So, what you have to write the answer? Slavery in the box. Then, thief, theft. What you have to write in the box? Theft. T-H-E-F-T. Minister, ministry. M-I-N-I-S-T-R-Y. Ministry. Then, friend, friendship. F-R-I-E-N-D-S-H-I-P. Friendship. Exercise 4. You have to make abstract nouns from verbs. Some verbs are given. You have to make the abstract nouns like act. Answer is action. A-C-T-I-O-N. Agree, agreement. A-G-R-E-E-M-E-N-T. Live, livelihood. L-I-V-E-L-I-H-O-O-D. Then free, freedom. F-R-E-E-D-O-M. Invite, invitation. I-N-V-I-T-A-T-I-O-N. Come to exercise 5. Now you have to form abstract nouns from adjectives. Honest, honesty. Answer is honesty. H-O-N-E-S-T-Y. Kind, kindness. K-I-N-D-N-E-S-S. Long, length. L-E-N-G-T-H. Then poor, poverty. P-O-V-E-R-T-Y. Then strong, strength. The next exercise is conjunction. Already we learned what is a conjunction. Joining words are called conjunctions. So some conjunctions are given like and, but, as well as. So first one is she is hardworking, she is honest. Answer is she is hardworking and honest. Second one, he is hardworking, he is not honest. Answer, he is hardworking but not honest. The fox is cunning, it is also clever. The fox is cunning as well as clever. I took the umbrella as it was raining. Answer, I took the umbrella as it was raining. Exercise 7. Suffixes. Suffixes means we add some letters at the end of the word. Some letters are given like ER, ANCE, ION, MENT. Questions are given like teach. You have to add either ER or ANCE, ION, MENT. Correct word you have to letters you have to write. So here what will come? ER. So answer will be teacher. Then correction. CORRECTION. Attend, attendance. You have to add ANCE. Then invent, invention, ION. Then appear, appearance, ANCE. Settle, settlement, SETTLEMENT. Then exercise 8. Test your brains. I dwell in your mind, wisdom. I am opposite of punishment, reward. I make you unhappy, pain. I shed when you weep, tear. I like you to hate, despise. Then come to the next page. Exercise 10 and 11 you can write it by yourself. Especially exercise 11. Tell your friends and write how your mother cares for you. So here what you have to do, you have to write like a poem that how your mother cares for you, because already in the second chapter we learned about my mother. So as an assignment also you can do it. So neat and clean you write a poem like how your mother takes care of you. This compulsorily you have to do as a poem, you have to write it. Then one more thing, in chapter 2 exercise 9, that you have to write a full form, short form, that I have to give you a chapter explanation. So that will come already in our grammar portion. So I will explain that in our class when you come back to school. So that you leave it now. Exercise 9. So we have completed exercises of chapter 1 and 2, question answer, fill in the blanks, all the exercises we have completed. So you have to write only question answer and dictation words in your CW copy. No other exercises should be written in your CW copy. Only dictation words and answer the following. Rest of the exercises you have to fill it only in the textbook and learn it. So 2 lessons completely we have completed. Tomorrow we shall come with the next chapter, chapter 3. So take care. Thank you.